Xerox WorkCentre 7800 family. Fuser removal. Power down the machine. Switch the power switch to the off position. Open the front cover and switch off the main power switch. Then unplug the power cable. The fuser will be hot. Allow 40 minutes for it to cool before continuing with this procedure. Open the left-hand cover. Remove the fuser by loosening 2 thumb screws, grasp the handle on either side of the fuser, and pull it straight from the machine. To install a new fuser, carry out the removal steps in the reverse order.